pour nga scamming programme ke manta kele because meta nyin scamming ko folale inka jele be nyin visa ko min fenka lime fonyo hani sai li bala ko ke kan na ba fole working permit
Liz wow
Liz ba fala gale ko working permit to Poland Liz ninge muta jam ninge muta sai ninge na TikTok yele te Liz aba fala dole ko mbal sambala Ukraine mbal sambala jang il faut que mol dingol traffic list mbe bulandi la Europe la système o kono la as traffic ani me fonyo
list famana talo bembul nem yes list Mendy mo John Mendy la cousin brother atelom John Mendy ti muntamu Sorex traveling tinga mun nati mun jang list le monung ala assistant director list leka operate nung jewo office oto bari sanyi list nata ala function traveling agency la yele bayo John nyinte Gambia kono John nyimbala haji dol leka mala be mutol so list ya yele ka foko atika mol mako ele pour eta Ukraine Kazakhstan nyin banku furingol rek ka wolle fal munati nan di fa
Poland fana mention jele
Poland ani Russia ani nyin kelol be dame ma fa ngola daro ika foko iba wo
bisa ka mon la Gambia dingol le wa fi la list kodi bawo imam foraya ni nyin dindingol dundi nan jam fo nga complain o so da kana la kodo di list la ali fo ka du nyin skama so la groupe ko
ela moy kana list le ko yal defa na programme ti ñaati ya tangelel email ñi nga jele nga dundi la email fa wala yi programme wala
list call
yes bala he's online. Shh. My people. Malo bitu vaka jibe because this kind of program jibe. Every program he is there watching. Hello? Yeah, Liz. I'm not it. Manfi, not it. Evening be mungi ni de. Wow, gije degante. Silone ka? Okay. Mane, gijna dega John.
John get not ready again. No. This one? John get not ready because nothing done getting them communicate and number I'm blocked up.
Okay. Walegi bobu dinañ ci wax maybe later. Why Liz? Gis na sa flyers yi nga génné sa advertisement yi nga dé def gis na ko. WhatsApp. Wow, yaa ngi def traveling agency ne yaa ngi dimbale nit yi pour ñu dem Poland ak foog na East European countries daal. Man ko amé fi dafa wow.
That would be a very surprising. There's no somebody is doing that, but actually myself I'm not doing that. If you don't mind, you can share the fly. Let me take on the calls.
Yeah, I can share the fly with you. Haram share ko with you. Be pare ma call at.
No problem.
Wow. Okay. Haram.
Anything in that man can
Déedéet parce que sa number la xaaral ma jël number bi den ma wax ma readal yow ban number nga ñaata number nga nekk di use xana because xam naa ne Gambia moom nit yi doo leen di amee benn number foofu noonu. Waaw léegi foog ma dugg sama beneen phone bi ma génne ko loolu mooy problème bi. Yeah. Waa léegi xaaral ma wax kii mu forwardal ma ko ñun number ñi forward ñen na ñeen téléphone to jam suma doom bi xaaral ma wax ko ñun number ñi forward ñen na ñeen téléphone léegi xaaral mu forward ko ma seet because man number bi ma amee gisuma ko foofu noonu waaye si beneen number xaaral suma doom bi forwardal ma ko léegi suma téléphone bi fii.
Okay, no problem.
Waaw parce que flyers yi sax xaaral ma seet parce que nga maa ngi use man tamit ñaari phone so foguma ne si phone bi la ñëw I believe ne si beneen phone bi la.
It is surprising to me hearing this from you. Come get the flyer a traveling agency.
Wow.
Poland.
Yeah.
No. Let me see the flyer.
Yeah, let the flyer come. Har mo suma doom bi mu yónnee ko tamit fii. Waa léegi number bi xaaral ma riidal la number bi.
Okay.
Waa loolu mooy number bi.
Number B. Small contact by the name Bob.
Bo.
Yeah. 6 Sorry.
Waa.
513
Waa.
6
6310.
513 6310.
Déedéet 530 6310. Waa léegi kan la?
Bob Lees la fa def. Bob Lees. This is not my number. I never have this number.
Bob Lees la fa def.
Bob Lees ma fa nekk.
Waa léegi yow xamuloo kan moom number bi because yow ñun sa number bi yow lañ ko save with Liz Mendy mu appear foofu noonu sa number bi moom man gisuma ko fii waaye si beneen number bi appear na soo ñu xam ne yow la bon Liz loolu moo tax.
I'm no more into that stuff, Panta. Let me just tell you something right now. Linga Hamantan, I didn't share it with anybody.
Léegi dang ma may nga xam bi number bi kan moo ko nekk di use. I can call you back.
Thank you very much. Even myself, I just want.
Yes, let me save this number and try to call the number. You said kan.
Like call anything, then also you get back to me.
Wow. They will call. Bye, man, ma call.
Okay. Hi. Number B. This Bini. I'm a client log one. See John. Let me screen record everything and send it to you. My conversation with him.
Liz Bini, Bob Liz Bini.
Wow. Bob Liz Bini. Liz Mendy. I'm a passport Natalam with all my documents, everything.
Okay. Your name is your colleague. Ma call ko.
Client log one. See John. Before that was Monica see John non. So the more communicate.
Well, man, I was really like surprised. Bu lolu amé man mënuma ko gis mané wa xana dag ma block man buma ko gis wala benen number bi nga nekk di use fofu nga ko post so fofu lañ ko gisé si te boromam su défé liste ñun ben liste lañ xam so obviously dañoo fogg né yow la
mom tam liste la
liste mom tamit liste naka la tuda
liste Mendy man Gomes la sante
waaw liste Mendy dama xone benen tour la
no
okay let me try to contact him. Yo, send me those evidence being
I will send you everything.
Yes, please.
I will send you everything.
Okay, all right. Jerejef. Legi hara ñu call this. Salam.
Ma ngeen kelala malon ne mol.
Yaay suma doom bi.
Yeah. Bàyyi leen rek.
Because mu kala fi yàlla ko matu nga jibe Liz visa scam har nga safe because jani metol ñi jaxase la
Kana tol jaxase janne mala fi sonko ko
ya londu nganu wole ka to kala na wato
I told Nimbe live jibe kam almost 200 people and so ali won nombata e ka mol sacrifice le ka fo be do ko le ñini la li Russia ani ñindula kote ko Poland ni ndula to be ngalon ne jemanke mo fin kundala la dulalti so janni bidala loi filaje
sis matu ngaji be Exodus yeah so matu ngaji be fabering abe online la so I'll mute please You know the picker. Ti being na logo bele bonding and to be ke falling. Purika na for jumalo nyint. Hawulu mo number killing or iti ya call ya jibe. Mumbe buluje. Amantara kata because obviously I no number sotol na kita John la mollo. Abe na number sotol la be group portal. So hanenda ngamune kati alo nako maybe tolle be call keka. So list na la communication on yimfele. I feel a call. So hello? Liz.
No.
Nale.
Jamare.
Okay. Mba busy ulo ye.
No.
Man la Fanta.
Fanta?
Wow.
Okay.
Then just a flyer binga they post sisa WhatsApp be. For traveling issues you know no. Poland you know no. So you am on interest. Pour suma ñaari brothers pour ñu jappalé len ñu mëna ñëw. I don't know sa process bi naka nga ko dé défé procedure bi naka la tamit.
Okay, is it Fanta the voice of Fanta?
Yes.
From Germany, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I know you from John's case.
Yeah, but from John's case, you know me, and now you are posting flyers on your WhatsApp telling people that you can help them to travel. You have been scammed, and you want to scam other people also.
No. I have not been scammed, and I'm not scamming anybody.
Yeah, but why are you posting those things on your WhatsApp, telling people if they want to travel, they should contact you? This is how we got your number. Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello, yeah?
Yeah, this is how we got your number. You are doing advertisement on your WhatsApp platform.
Yes, I am doing advertisement, yes.
Yeah, but why?
Why what? Did somebody tell that no, I've scammed them?
But you are about to do that.
I am about to do that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you could have done that for yourself, why did you go to John for him to help you? You gave your monies to John, but he never helped you to travel. You are still in Gambia. And now you are telling people, why do you want to send other people to Russia? Kelobe dame.
Where?
Not where. Yemunkela flyer, so you know it very well. So we are going to expose everything from you. Stop Alyimbula. How can you be in the Gambia telling people that I want to help you to travel whilst you yourself, you have been struggling over the years to travel and you cannot even go nowhere?
Fanta, listen to me. Are you there?
I'm here.
I do not do process for Russia.
Poland, we saw Poland. I have the flyers here. I didn't even know how many countries.
I do Poland,
yes.
I do Belarus and Albania. These are the countries that I do. And I only do based on contracts.
What kind of contracts? Why are you sending people to this kind of countries with lies?
With what?
Sending these people to these countries with lies. Those contracts are not even true.
I am not lying to anyone.
Then why didn't you go yourself? If you can do that, process visa for people. You have been hustling to get visa yourself.
Me hustling to get visa.
For the man nun John Layaka visa apply. Sorex travel.
I told you I've never applied visa from John. I only refer people to John.
You refer people to John.
I only refer
so
people,
but still you the people you refer to John, which one of them travel? Who amongst them got the visa to travel?
I know John's own faith. You understand? So me, I am
stop this thing you are doing. We will make campaign against you people. Gambia government, they should shut down all these things. Alkani office all mun yele nyim corner office dawo dal ya yele je kalka traveling agency la yele molye munan nal fangol be sirin Gambia.
Fantasy, this is your problem. I am not scamming anybody and nobody.
It is about scamming because that is how it will end up. How can you find visa for the whole of Gambia? Because when you post it on your platform, you cannot even get visa for 2 individuals. If you have been doing it, why did you refer people to John? Why were you not able to process that visa for them?
No.
Why did you refer them to go to John?
Did you even make finance before you call me?
I saw your flyers and you admitted that you are doing that. And you accepted it right now that you are not issuing visa to people to travel to Russia, but to Poland and I don't know where and where you said just now.
Of course.
Yes, you said that. You admitted to that.
I am not giving anybody a visa. I do not guarantee anybody visa. I am only connecting people.
But when they come, you guarantee them. You tell them it is a guarantee. It is based on contract. These are old school stories that we have been hearing the longest time.
Who told you that?
My brother, Liz.
I saw a lot of your works. But
Liz.
Before you do anything, you have to make research. You have to know what is there.
Liz,
Me, I am not a scammer.
you are not embassy. You are not an embassy. You cannot guarantee anybody to have visa. You know that very well. Yes, but okay. How many of your customers were you able to issue visa, to process visa?
You should make finance before
9. I'm asking you now.
to lay claims.
I'm not doing. I am asking you now. How many people have you issued visa?
First place. You didn't ask me in the first place. You just started your claims. So you should make finance now before you.
Okay, now I'm asking you. If I ask you now, how many people have you issued?
I'm not telling you.
Because it is not true. If it is true, you would say I helped this and that and that and that. But now that you want to confront me with this point, that means that you have never issued a visa for anybody. Yeah, I'll stop this scamming. It's all scamming that you are doing. It is all scamming. You are not embassy. You cannot guarantee. You even said it now. You cannot guarantee anybody to have a visa.
I've never guaranteed anybody visa.
It is not true. I cannot accept that. Even we saw Bambambai here. What he said is.
What I do is, can you listen to me? What I do is, I make placements for people in any company that employs them.
Which companies? Tell me the company's name.
Listen to me.
Company told now.
First, I have to apply for work permit, and it's the company that is employing my clients. They are the ones finding work permit for my clients. When they have that, that's the document that I'm going to use to book a development for them, and they go by themselves to embassy and do their.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you give me maybe 2?
I'm not giving you anything.
Because it is not true. It is not true. This process you are saying here, it is not true. It is not true.
Up to you.
It is not up to me. Stop this kind of games you are playing with people in Gambia. Because everybody wants to travel. That is why you are coming every time with different kind of stories. Which company will give you contract? Which company will give you contract? Which company they give you contract? Alwobula. Stop this scamming thing. John has got his experience from this. And you said what?
I said you are sick. I'm not scamming anybody. Did anybody report to you that I scam anybody?
Yes.
Do you even make findings about me?
Yes.
Yes. Who?
This is why I have your number and I call you.
I mean, yes. Who?
Yeah. Why do you want to know that?
Of course. If you say I scam anybody, you can add the person online.
No, you said Fanta, I am sick. You are sick of lying. Alfania bulalia bulaka mol visa scamming because he mantani in the mole at the end of the day abalaban na wol kusi fal leto. Altina ke like altina.
If I have to scam anybody, listen to me. If I have to scam anybody, add the person on the call now.
The person, I will not add the person on the call right now. What we saw is your flyers that you are posting online.
Because for you only got the flyer and you call me. You took my number from the flyer and you call me.
Okay, no problem. But we know that you are doing something that is. Okay. I don't know. It's true. I don't know. But we are warning you to stop that because we know that you are not an embassy. You cannot guarantee anybody to have a visa. So stop this job you are doing. You are lying. You are lying. All what you posted on your flyers are lies. It is not possible that you will have a contract for somebody in Europe here and say after that we will process this and that. These are old school stories that you have been telling people all the time. If you were able to process visa for people, you should have processed it for yourself. But you're sitting down there scamming people, taking people's money, telling them lies.
Do you know where I've been to? Or because
I don't even know. I have heard people telling me I have been to Germany, I have been to that. That doesn't guarantee you. That doesn't guarantee you to process visa for anybody. Even if you have been traveling the whole world. That doesn't guarantee you to process visa for people. Alwa sifa bula ka fako travel ta jenne na visa al ka itandi al ka la passport ol itandi fani aken sangola ni wuliala. Al buka visa bondi no moy. Amoy bay ka ñine use bambam bay fana ye ñine ki jang. Kala passport ol bondi ka itandi mol la seku ñol be wala ki.
Sis call yang at a call yang at a fine telo dugareng at adje nga evidence ol be kiyele adje
Ya ki ñele sañ yala te nañu téléphone doto wala tin nandi
nga ki wole to sañ akaminu post adje dro
ha wait aman taraka ci kan okay. Hello ayida la ko batu nga yibe yeah sis iba at kan jele ko wuliya rek ka passport ol bondi ka itandi mol la ka foy fo ma ambassador ji jamume kala musola visa nying issue mundi ala musola ka ki groupe ol ta ka fo molen ka visa le bondi moli ila nyi wuliya
Nse sele number say. Okay.
no. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good evening.
Good evening, Liz.
Yeah, how are you?
You are denying all your posts, innit?
Denying what?
You are denying about the post you made in your WhatsApp, Russia, Belarus, and so on.
No, I do not know Russia.
Of course, I have all the evidence, Liz. So you calling Santa a liar, you are the biggest liar. Because I saw everything. Let me forward it to you.
Forward it to me.
Yes, I will forward it. I will forward everything to you. And stop calling people a liar. You are a liar.
Sis, you know what? Because this lying even doesn't affect me. It doesn't even disturb me.
Because we will not come on social media live
One day is lying.
without having any evidence from you. We will not come on social media live without having any evidence from you.
I know that.
Yeah, why are you calling her a liar? You are the liar here.
He doesn't even deny that he is doing that.
Right now. You have to shut up.
First offend na nying aba fango defend la munda sis kana dan ko wala.
You're telling me you're great.
You have to shut up your mouth. I have all the evidence. I will forward it to you right now. Check it.
Tatale.
Sister Fanta.
Oh God. Yes.
See.
Okay, check your inbox now.
See.
Check your inbox. I forwarded everything to you. Check your inbox, please. Check your inbox now before talking to me. Because you are calling Fanta a liar while we have all the evidence with us. Check your inbox.
Listen to me. You
But I
call me.
sent you everything. You have to check your inbox before talking to us.
You're not telling me to shut up.
Yes, because you are calling someone a liar. Why are you calling her a liar? You are the liar here. I have all the evidence with me.
Okay, now this evidence you sent to me, you can check it.
Who should check it? Sis, ni duka na nga nyimbula nyeta. Nyimman fence rabe mum fala.
You are trying to scam our Gambian brothers and sisters. You are trying to sacrifice their life in Russia. Why are you so heartless? Why are you doing this to your own Gambian brothers and sisters? Because of you want to enjoy money or you want to enjoy life?
I am not enjoying any.
Do you think if you do that to them, you will enjoy your life?
I am
Never.
not enjoying. Of course, I'm going to enjoy my life.
Lee,
I'm not
you know what?
anybody.
Try to have a decent money to live your life. Try to have a decent money to live your life. We will never bring anybody on social media without having our own evidence. And if you continue, we will post you on social media to protect our youth. We don't want
5306310 wala mala number 5306310 ala ko lal be ya fa la fatala Russia.
Check your inbox, Lee.
But he even denied that he did not even mention Russia, and Russia is there. And currently, Kerala be Russia, ilafta kamol sambaji. Already 2 people have lost their lives that we are confirming. You know?
Okay. We will post it one by one and we will know who is the liar here. Go ahead. I never ever tried it or to call us a liar. We will deal with you up to the last dot. Even if you change your number, we will try and get another number. I can never change my number because of you people. You know what? I know you because you are a scammer, banding a saltega. You are crazy.
Yo ya mu nekk fenkat amuloo dara looy wax bàyyi li nga def nii bu nga jël doomi jàmbur yi dem sacrifice leen yóbbu leen Russia ñu dem dee foofu noonu. You know? Bàyyi leen ngeen def loolu noonu. Yow yaa ngi doon liggéey ak John xam nga lu happen ak John. You know? Nga ne yaa ngi doon yóbbu sa customer ban John sa customer la yóbbu and you have never even issued visa for anybody.
Blood money, yen blood fuck ngeen man. Xale yu ndaw yi ngeen di jël di leen nax di leen yóbbu Russia ngay wax ay Belarus ay Fini ay Poland. I saw everything. Sister Fanta post. Hey Lee, I told scammers all. Albe number si fal be jëlal la WhatsApp group wol kono. Mba use la jën na agent tol ba use.
5306310 wala mala number ha ala call alia fay aya bulaka mol scam muna na be mol sambala fango Russia kelobe dame jumala fango bitala ji ha so yaki nyemuntole si na no online or maybe yaki nyemuntole yalla de fango meta ki la nyele majeno fatu ha okay so nga sotole nga fenkele okay then ala fenkole
Soll ich da live gehen und gucken? Online?
nein oh saingan
Oh, thanks.
God alimbatunde afele Russia fele na Russia no ay Russia sunkutundingo
Das ist er? So sieht der aus? Der sieht aber
Fonsen na setting albembala lele 1 minute nga download because nga na settings kele ni message na tate download la fonte fa sa download mfango alimbala
We should.
nga ko be ke la man son ka download malo mu neket defna alles nga be ke la man son ka download sala bint ite te fenkele ita kele la screen o ngi nati big screen ni nat sala bint ni bije ngi ke yo sai ite ya ke la side ngi te ke big screen o nyint
Mbatu follow.
nga download
What mbatu follow? Give me some time. I need nyom ke wulu kanyango. Akatente block la. Let's wait a anyina tante la ayete fenke. Abe mol dingol sacrifice la. Ite ka fu moli ko moli ite mutarer hande di ba fala moli ko. Ite mambono Gambia ite ko ika working permit le nyini moli. Fo ite amira working permit ka soto wole nyama plan del fele be bola plan. Rosianol be bola je kana jamani nin dulal to ita kata wuliya ba fo mole ka fo gale ko mbal sambala le hani dulata te mo hani nyankumo liste wole garanti no la ka bo Gambia kanana tubabu du
afele jam fango bari ma download no ka dundi
hani nyankumo ata bondila no Gambia ba la life le sacrifice la jana ite mu bua balti wa list batu ngana ngane no man nate ako yonko ya jela anda ya dina janne ko rosi atije ngal tol ya jele kodi aya dina ile ko rosi atije rosi atije
Liz dole ka mol call ha mbatu yes Liz yeah
afai nate diamula nintije
wow no Liz dolom ying Liz dolom John la Liz ni de wana ñoo jox Liz bi ni Liz Mendy bi waaw mu ne moom daf leen doon jox moom customer mi la doon rifa si yéen moom seen client la somehow naka la moom mu ne moom si boppam mu ne moom si boppam traveling agency la moom daf dee rifa nit yi si yéen seen office moom du leen dee jàppale pour yéen ngeen exoma daf leen transfer client yi si yéen ba pare he traveled so many places you know su buggee man mu won ma passport am be something like that gis nga
I never knew something about that. The only thing we want to dafa waxtaan ak John ba mu waroon a jox John land so ba den John nekkutoon fii man maa demoon tekki land so from there mu seen ma message mi ne dafa soxla document am because dafa jox
te moom daf doon bëgg pour dem ban dëkk la bëggoon a dem
Australia
yo déggal fen bu moo fen mu ne moom musuta indi kii boobu na fen mu ne moom musuta bëgg a travel moom travel na place yu bari léegi xaaral mun naa ko join si client
ma ko join si client because moom su ma bopp sax man dama stop communicate ak ñoom ñëpp because si John la John dama ko block amatuma ko ak moom because John si bu ma dugalee si problème bi mooy benn jigéen problème ak Banjul
waaw
dama use my own data to move mail ko out then John mu abscond so from there my dad was reporting
okay léegi Liz mu ngi nii Liz mu ne moom daf leen doon jox customers moom daf leen doon jox customers moom nekkutoon di ut visa si yéen te mu ngi nii léegi yow Liz déglu
I was not aware about that loolu moom musuma koy di respond the only thing that I knew about him daf ma contact wàcca na si saasi
dina ñëw de ñu nag moom tey kuy fen dinañ ko xam
John moo ko jox sama number mu contact man ne dafa bokk
wàcca na fenkat yu mag yi le scammers yu mag yi le aliya jele nal parital yital la ko do di ñil la momo bi jang ala fal la moli I am not interested Fanta yes because you are lying degal mu ne du ñëw mu ne he is not interested
it's not all this stuff Fanta man I was a victim at the end of the tunnel also Moton Avenue come I was fooled by John because dama nekk somebody ki nga xam te ne dama apply to moom bu ma jógee Qatar ma ñëw vacation ma apply to si moom so yóbbu na ma Ghana I spent a lot of my savings there in Ghana a lot happened there so things did not go through mu toon na employment si lifinam bi si business am bi and my employer said all of this mess was happening
and he is writing because you are a liar moment de haral kila buga complete fee
Bala me send message. Let him just join the conference call to discuss about this once and for all. Man, I just want to make one thing clear to him. So you make a flyer of him. Let him make some differences. At least people will know that this is not me. This is somebody else, different from me.
Mungene kadibinda, but ne kudinyo. So he knows already we caught him. He is lying.
No, man, I knew him through this group of
Australia.
That is where I came to know him because John Moko just want to contact me.
Wow.
Singapore, then we moved to Singapore.
Yeah.
Malaysia. Mom, second part will go.
mun nga ma balal ma wax ak moom because mu ngi binda waaye mu ne du ñëw dama ko bëgg a send a message please dinaa la call yow dinañ waxtaan léegi in a short minute baax na waaw
Liz dañ la téye red handed xam nga yow
ila mooy mbato I feel like I want to take you are the liar. But I'm not never selling that.
ko de sedai say kay te lo
Gis nga di nga mu dee fen téye nañ la nga ne ñun duñ dee am evidence Liz ñëw na yow you were hustling to get a visa to travel to Australia sa documents yi sa application beeg everything li nga fa def forward nañ ñu ko so yow su fekkee ne yow yaa ngi bëgg a travel mënuloo travel yow nga ne nga dem all of a sudden nga ne da nga ibbi office da nga bëgg a dimbale nit yi pour ñu travel to go to Russia and xawma Poland doo bay fen da nga rus góor bu rus lii lay def soo rusutoon lu tax boo eegee nga dégga Liz muy wax rek nga wàcca lu yaa ngi fi doon defante di wax ne ñun dañ mën a fen léegi ku nekk fenkat bi xam nañ ko fii shame on you so your number will be exposed your picture and everything
sen naa ko suñu live bi xam nga defante bi naka la block ko
ila mooy mbatu laftaala nataaloo le kela sis mbatu
yo ala natalo keje
ha mbala nataaloo le taala
mbal be piklale altol min bebe duma mbal piklale kiling alimbatu do mandin drong nga nying janklea akonum be wuli yalla wuli yati jande ay sister fanta height le anyinata kante height so abe mol fenke ka yalo mo ni lafta mol dingol kasara la ala le fango ya wanyar nyimboyo mimbe Australia Russia sorry minka mol sambaje mol fataje aka dinaile wason Gambia wol ya call moli journalist ya call aya dinaile ka tele sambaje nyin li sifal le ka woke ntele nga everything soto
wason Gambia mu bondi fa nga call le what time wala nga na telephone fa nga call le nga la recording soto la kate manta diamula sinya killing the guy is not ready to talk akate te diamula bari next mbatele call
Liz yaangi fi yang ñoo setan
afele
wow
mo neka
Sister Sala Benz ngal konto enim fanta
na pacha
ngejo
na pat barakolom ni mol batam mbentol fa
natalo fela man son clé la molie wulu kewo
hani min pareta ay dulal min fo natalol nyen ebe video le kela na kela video ti akata from one picture to another bawo list ye wuli ale fo iko mela evidence o soto telephone ngela evidence soto nko sister fanta iko nyeno minu natan toli ya scamming na iko ye scam le kilingo yente contact bari ngajela be fenne post kande pour kata na Gambia dingol sanka koteke nka ite Poland Belarus molbe candinje everyday ben kollay lafta bola Belarus le jebe Russia le kono ibuka tarano Belarus ya dunjan Europe jang
yo Sister Sala Benz mbal konton na je mbe konton na
nge jonna broda ibe nyaadi
mbe jandro walla ni molle be mbatandi ka ngan to falin kote ke ngabondi barako ngasa mana napat ngamanja kangole ke je sai
napat
napat wallahi mbe
wow
mbala fenko programme follow kan kabring la bandula follow dula enim fanta alla do ko betiata bake yaje one thing tenga min soto Gambian wol to Gambian wol nyanta inyali yelela le say Gambian wol nyanta e wala le say yalon to nya banko be koliyari ne de banko la koliya fana kana dum mol dum kudo keola this is just simple logic ni moko eko dalasi tandi nga dalasi kemo di lela munana o kemo atema di afongola yalo ni min sita class of fana kono this is just a small
ani bari yalo nyim fele ay nyin dinaile anda ba foka ateta mata dula jamal leto
afele
yaje yalo mbe means fantala force topic mbole foka nyins kamal min ka fo ha fenko dinanga 10,000 25,000 and in fenkol lafta kacha dorla na wolto pour kanana ngana laba nyimman jako furi mo mimbe la lori
you already lied so you are a liar so there is no need for us to discuss with you You have
Nko.
already lied from the offset that you traveled and this day. You never traveled. Why is your document hanging at the Sorex
Fanta.
Sorex office? One
Sister
thing.
Fanta a blog nga wala kala dim pareta live
Yo.
lamba blog
Manta
la
block
na
na dara.
Sala Benz al do beje be duma je be comment section oto e ka file love manjako lo ngana nga diamu ay diamu na nyimba manjako badi ngoye akana manjako to tinya mula manjako
Ikana
kala
manja
tango
ko
siandisa
tiyade.
bilay mol ma manjako lo nyina nyinu be manjako to tinya la just for no reason
Wallahi afele de
Manjako-
akasatel mundundi. Turkey,
manjako
Russia,
manjako minka scamin ke sa billah
Belarus.
ni akrosi ya kiskisi ni manke manjako yele kendo fa
Ko mala nyi musa de juma. Alala number ta 5306310. Wala mala number 5306310. Ala call alia fay ko ay scamming bula. Anene man travel alia moy jenda tata traveling agency mun to pour ka traveling silo nyi ningol nata jenne ya wanyar ko ala kaytol hene buluje ka fango lafta tamol la man tama silo so lafta tala Australia le. So how is it that ati fango man tama silo nyi soto sa fanan tata tama bunda yela ka kana mol le scam ti nyi mol malum le di
Sister Fanta manjako dolbe comment section oto je iselendi na mbanga diamu nyinku wala yenyi ya won do bi
iselendi na because
nga won
Mari Gomez ko I am here anin love fanam bijele iselendi
yo lo fana bije mole manjako lon catalan
manjako alayala wala na kabrimbe jonta fola ngole ko manjako di alayal lom mi lom tapale yal ani office ni bije ni manjako ikabe tilindi ajamal
furi ngolem nyinti way
tapale yake
manjako furi ngolem nyinti way ni mu manjako furi ngoleti aben tol manjako to tinyala ite nyim bankol fanga tol kamin to kumandita Sister Fanta ndebe Angleterre janne bari ifele farin to la way house ko no jangi
Allo.
Hello Mari
Abo ko manjako ka furi. No
Dika furi Mari Mari abu manjako ka furi da won
Abo ko manjako ka furi. No nan jako nam mana ci nan jako.
No. This
Na mana
guy
ci
is
nam
not a
jako.
manjako. Chick manjako. It's not a manjako.
this one is Mendy wo is Mendy
La moy Fanta ni man
Fanta.
real manjako ti de.
No, ni manke manjako kendo ti way.
Mariele manjako with a blood.
Ali bo ato doron de bari manjako le mati de
No mbongola to le Fanta.
Hani abakala ko
Mbola.
yalo Sister Fanta modo bije hani bota mola siyo to kodi ni man katina isiyo fango buka la fila because Gambia be ya manjako lonne
yalo wo manke pio manjako ti.
Gambia be manjako lonne itilintale ila hajo ika wole topoto
La-
I was
Blum.
going with manjako Kabrina primary school mbama be
Abanta
posting ne
sister.
konole ya jale nyeng mendi fayam raita be mo tretin la janne ntele ngela kuol je ntele ngaje ye Fanta height le nyina tale kante height
Apa Selena nja abani
Love.
manjako
nga invite le
Love.
nga
Okay,
invite le
ala fa
Ala
Selena
fa Selena.
mbang mol na e dian
Ko
Mari bro
Lubara
iko
Manjo
nga
ni
Nate.
nga nyoto
Sister alba nyiminate yaje nyine kam wol batandi tele africa no li nyine kam batandi han nyi suras nyi libya silo kana nyi maroc silo kana nyi algeria silo kana ya mo min je katra nyi kok sori ala doron e ka jine kewo ni fan ba silo traele ma soto doron say balo la molde mol nu nyi don tema doro ka dara ke wandi kodo tinya doron adre tel fan ba silo nyi no le mantawo ita bada min nyino le ma soto ikana du dol la kodota ke fam fasa wala ko ite bitalaw ike laban dibe laban ka kenya dilo ikadore a be laban kodo kar kasara la afwan kana kasara
ngo
mamba ita bada min
bani
nyino le ma
manjako
soto
pele na Selena.
mbadi manjako Selena
ye linko kiyaelde aka bol follow le sa ye linko
No,
kiyaelde
afa Selena ndoro na
ay fa Selena ay fa Selena na ka changalo
wa
Mari,
ko ni
ata
ko ni
Selena.
ala
ni
kuma
jaka
ni manjaku kango la
ali
min ya do
sifa
moy
Wa,
kuda
il-
ali
ila mo
ngado
na-
kuoke ngado
ila mo
kuoke
na-
ngata
hay mata idea
ila moy ibato ngadiam manjo ay tinjo pani route jaka nyaka manjame banjako ngal tungu ko tapali ushinyan tu problem piu pani route jaka nyaka katimu tu choka prufa njiki jeba boko nyamba te prulo mundu tebi finger route te bi shoko katim tati choko banyanka tim jeba boko banjako meto ko tapali
ngo
pani
tabala
route jaka nyaka ushinyan tunu lempi pani client kaja ushinyi nyan tu nu lempi te nyindo injika jeja buku nya kan tapandu to kote menu metu ne bi ne ka problem pour fa bu pani bi choko ko temti social media njaba bu ko njako jam metu ko nyaka ne ko nyaka ni sister Fanta ki nyaka nanul na
ngal chiti yank ba lugum rika di ba lugum yuru kanyanga aba mobaro ba lugum mobaro ba rek dika watiru
dika wara njametu ko tapa na pani ni nyaka na Fanta nyanja mlupi no shangu ne nyantu wangu tu lempu muntu ndaji tu lempu sa njaba me manja
kajar ki njameku manank jar manank le
kajar ulik
chitumi uchim jara tu lik manang ulempu njameku
ya pambadi ngol besiar
kajar ki bajan meku na panen bama me tapale scamming is not in our blood.
No. Chita njameku njaka jaru pit balugu
kajar rek
lega bo ponya ko kale to ko meti buka ke ka problem fa bo padi bi choko
na jaku meti tapale
jaroto me kala chita ka tinja
no
na pani tu ni nyako shi nyantu no lempi na pani jo chiti lempi njiri nyantu ino boko chaki bu pour to no lempi moti ba boko nyako jatoto ne jam tum jade de boko chak
ba boko chak exactly
Choni nyaka mane shank ndano manjo ni metole ma shank boko shak neje mo ko tapali
it's very difficult
manjo
ngame ka diama tele
ndaba jila mbal
ka diama tele
ka diama
tele ko apoy ate nana itene ate diamo nto manjako nto manyimanyalo so kadiama tele njaba shiba nyame Christian
aina Selena Santo
na Peru we know Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It does not lie. The blood of Jesus covers each and every one. We are child of God. We are untouchable. We don't scam people. The blood of Jesus Christ is on our blood. So paniru nyaka. When you said a lost of Jesus Christ, and they told you in the Bible, do not steal.
No, ma mkabu chikimbaru check marine check bu nanjako because nyana
will konjo chime do kating bajako chime bija katima
Mario
wa deka timna jaka jaka jali ma
chubarari me achinanjako me ajeji katim manjako na kabebi manjako
atukulu chinanjako
bare fanda ala number siabang I try to reach
ala number nying ala fenke atol mumma badi ngotalia call 5306310
askeno I auto fang you
5306310
andoka memfo santa wala nyinti asikeno ay kontongo nyinta ka fanna kindi manjako la pour mol kana lonko ma
manjako because list nying list do munada ha wona e nyolon ne
okay afo lise Selena Santo atoma minton call please want to know
ate sona Selena nyimuta paleleti ate sona Selena
abe sate jimale
abe Gambia jele
sate jimale in Gambia
hani malon dami mo yala mineketa nga scamming programme ole kejang John Mendila programme minka fa be mol sambala Europe
from Guinea-Bissau imagine ndo fana as cafe maybe it's from Guinea-Bissau
so saying anata minke atele fango yente contact de akala lafta ninte diam bari yalo nintol ngela nombal fenken ka differentiate len ninda mo kendol nketol fenkelen koy John Mendila customer mateti so amamele ate fango nyem post pour ni nalba approach la abe wuli afulali ele because I deny janne so atele ya post katandiko akamol samba rosia Belarus aning Poland ni nyindula dolta anda ate fango la complaino atele na ataka complaino dintolia so kaprin tegaje I was so shocked nga screenshot nga sister Fanta call kai ko je nyimin natantolia ko ya te scam le hay ate fana mu nyinula victim ti but saya fela ba nyum dulal post kan andunga atran be modol la ko economica boy sol samba rosia ifata je aba dinaika nga nyunu be mo la fondinkel banal
sister ita ko le afa e badi manjako sa ndona be diam
manjako ko aliadu nindol nga ko la te sonna kata imama yakani to te diam
te sonna selela
ani bada ko sa me be la me ka duma
Amalu tele sa
nga linko kiyayle nga live linko kiyayle abela moy kan janna na la
Mbo
fake
wala,
profile
Wala
ali
na,
ya mali
fine,
ala
fine.
advice
kay wulu kew al nga duway ko fa se Australia visa soto ba wala nyininka
ko
akade
ate fonka
tamu
ate fonka nit ñi ni mool ye bankole atol ka
to nga ne ko
bankole
mo beten to like la non ka nyim mun kete
Manjo,
ni kan no manana
da jana
be
na
on follow la
da kanya kana no.
de fana mala
Mama no koreka puri kope, no koreka nira parce que ame konji.
Mari-
Like the best thing is
Wa
that
manjo,
Fanta come Fanta.
ntiya no legi koliru la shi mu adi ko koliru la ne.
Mam koliru no koreka ji.
eyo
But the
say
best thing
mari
is
mbe
that
menkela ila number
Come Fanta
inbox nye
exclusive.
nim pareta nye call ite nim love nim fenke ali e dia maye mbe nga tara line auto ali ya advice
Ha.
No, that
because-
advice no la. The best thing is that ba expose la le.
Attention,
ani soma mala talo sakila le soma nda he is going to be up tomorrow morning
Fanta.
inshallah
Jibana na talo
Fanta na-
jinsi.
Fanta nase atelem nyinti nase possible no Fanta.
brother
Atele nyinti.
Atele min
afelenti
nunu chuni.
anyinda
Mari.
ada be mbe purintene ko tubabu
Ila
muske bari
mwede. Ni.
Ha. Mari da tena nulu war.
Na patni ngani shi na manja ko ne ga shi manja ko ne jire bi saw ni jamon. Da?
No,
No,
na
pretty
chi.
much.
ne
Ah,
manjako le la
ah,
Gambi ne na manjako la Guinea Bissau manjako Gambi this one speak English
Yeah, exactly, Mari. Na don't chi manja ko
Anatala
Guinea Bissau
sekurita
rega
je.
English.
Wato
Dite
manjako Gambi
No, ma
Kuya
puri
man
puri
kadi
Guinea
afele alam bol fango be bola.
puri Guinea sa ni ay call the Gambia come that
Ila mo dro yala mo na yala
Wow, ma at least
Nto
na
manja
yai call the
na
Gambia. Na
structure
yai
ni
call
pare. Gambia pare kalo Guinea Bissau pare pare ke lo na de.
Nkelo
Ah,
ni.
wala jibe afele pesa mfenko jolon.
Yalo
Alo
ni-
ba jibe kan ne. Yalo.
Nka jibe
Sister Fanta.
Afela ye pare fa ko 5
be para kana nyin cross fenko ke anyato pour moli atros ko mo hones ngolo
Na ila mo ni a mix tale. Ni ama go Guinea Bissau.
ani fa hana mambo Guinea Bissau a mix ka scam yellow babala la saka mama muskama soleta bota si dole
Sister ila mo de ila mo ni.
Sister Sala Benz. Sister Sala Benz.
Ima
Yalo.
flow.
Asikeno abota nan Guinea Bissau kabringa dindi. Ay tara Gambia ay ta school Gambia.
Exactly.
Ay pare min
Ni
kete.
manke Gambia really pare Gambia te olan ka
Ni muri Gambia pare le.
to lag manja ko really pare buka kete Gambia de.
yo ala fa ko
Bari mba
kuchi
kolla.
na ente samba jala ngoto mbe ku kela la ja
Munjalang.
Muna mo jalan kala kala mo jinte kan
Ndol fango ye fenso
to.
Sister Sala Benz ndol fango ye fenso to ngole fo marie nkae ko balugum hana ay mola ko ta manke na manka taroti billahi aba fala dak aba police la amanke jalanto ta fangoti nte billahi fantan nte misilmolti bari nte I respect that balugum ngalon na yaje nte ngalon na momo la ko ta manjako mol ma manjako lon ka tapale yake na mol la ko ta man son naka ta do ku wala pour aya taro do kundi aya domo nimba lugumo bulo lata kan bina life ja albina life jangal ma fole barako nene nyim fole barako nyene nyim fole
Iba tunga fonye ataba ko la ajiba.
yo manjo idango
Manjo jena
Ako
nombo.
mko, haka file mko.
Mama ga call roll.
Lipana
Puri ni je puri na koreka.
Wa lipana manje lipana manje nombo.
yo dugal len ma ci sen groupe manjago bi man dama buga janga manjago xam nga man suma toma amna 18 years legi njago la go Mr Santa
okay
Okay.
mari
Na?
ke janangu number 5306
Wa lipana mandola lipana manje jete.
5306310
Lipana
Na ba jibe ka da son naka cika.
ababala na to banto manja kwa tabala na te halon ninyi mo namba
530
Expose la.
Ngoy koy da
Lipana.
la bari ni nga mo mo da jampala.
020220
Ifala
5306
5
306
5306
310
310. Hara ma repeat 530 6310.
Right.
So yes, mbatu ngasko ngana ngako la lela moisa.
ha
Ito nga so.
just astodoro ya fenke
Wow. Abu kumanjaku rika fure. Jabo fati ko
abu kumanjaku
tapale.
rika fure ali amoyle america
Ndiki
gomez
chokpa
fango yo
nya
donkilo ke
timdi.
Ikoy be karatu la manjaku ko ngala efi bo jigdi bo
Wala
afadi.
kita fante be kara manjaka ngola.
Wallahi
Amira,
ito
Amira.
kay no problem. Ala juruma kar rek. Because ate
Ah,
fa mo
ite wala ftale
Ifa ngo ina wuli ko tenke ko ite kana visa le nyini mole wonta pale
Hani,
ala
hani,
ite
hani.
rek Gambia ala jibe no.
just look at that
Ah,
ite ko
Soma nying ni de bekela number 1 tibi fa wala mbala video de dara jandi mbe wuran. Soma
sama
ya.
mbe wulla ibitele batinna la mbe wulla juna nga join ila live nyimbe
No, Fanda,
to
mba expose rale because Manjaku community
mba
Gambia.
tenka ndol ma
Al
mo
al
ma
al
Manjaku
al
wonde.
pareta le muntuma al binal al rendez-vous dintol.
ni Henry Gomez yelo
No,
ni
bari
Henry Gomez yelo
Faisal nga
Ilo
Amira
ma
nene nga
hani
jele but
gome sama
mare
kamanja
don't
ya
know,
to mix
bari-
leti.
andi
Mba
manjako
call
mi
kan.
manjaka ngo moy wala Henry Gomez
Kaba
wonti.
call kan na kaba call.
Okay angal la mo yala
Abi jenna da sanno ka shi.
Kono mu ngi déglu live.
Mu ngi déglu du ko jël. Ba pare mu
Mais
ñoo
mu ngi
saaga
déglu.
rek. Mu ñoo saaga
Non, non,
saaga.
pro, man suma pare. Ma dina ko yónni audio. Dina ma call.
Sala bin sa kon tol bu wulu mu sol le tin tol la ka mol bondi.
Mbala
Ngo,
tula de. Bara to ngol na. Hello, aha,
ndol
hello.
ndata tula de ndol
Hello. Aha, hello, korom. Ma jom ndalundi. Mchi fayna. Ma jom mchi fayna. Ah, mbadu cha konde.
but si primo think it.
Ah, ma jom mchi mbadu cha konde. Wa, wal ko jom mchi mbadu cha konde. Dede ma jom mbadu cha konde. Dede ma lento ko ma nyake mbadu cha konde. Am pani bakote. Kata biendi. Ah, ma men bakote. Ah, sila kula. Akati mundi. Kati mundi. Ah, kati mulisa. Ayo, mama mando nganja pinyaka na. Wa mami mashika nyaka kati muri social media. Wa di fanta wul ko njali ma ko ba am ci abuk manjaku. Tew shin te abuk manjaku wa ten shin te abuk manjaku bishika. Yo. Mari Gomez, wa wul ko mshi we mshik atanji. Wa nja abuk manjaku reka furi te abuk manjaku nja met tapaleri. Legi micro bi wa micro jump sa. I'm receiving call. Thank you so much. I know that you received my call. Wow.
We can talk and we communicate and then we understand each other.
Wow.
But we want to call maybe.
Wow.
First thing is so because father you know, I got one thing, already
Utambuniri you learned in English.
Wow. Okay, wow. Okay, wow.
That time I spoke with them.
Uh-huh.
And I spoke with them. So then I have the other lady's number.
Okay. Okay.
I have the other lady's number. And again, I also have Fanda's number. So we found the call maybe.
Wow.
Like we went
Ekanulu wi teti njako. English.
Wow. Let Meo, let
I saw your flyers.
Hello. Lenta manjaku jaka social, lenta manjaku.
Okay, yeah. So next year we are coming. When I make a fly, come call maybe.
Wow.
When I get I will fly, I will fly in.
Wow.
So I'm not interested in all put on a broke,
Wow.
This is his flyer.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
No, my okay. Is it question of Fanta?
Wow.
And I say yes, question of Fanta.
Wow.
I don't okay, yeah. My lesson is the case job.
Wow.
I don't my lesson is the case job.
Wow.
So okay, Bijay come correct. And I say okay, I have lesson the case job.
Wow.
So why are you scamming people?
Wow.
Well, let them first. I say why are you scamming people?
Okay. Legi mga pia paro.
Why are you scamming people?
Wow.
Actual, Panda, do you know me? Why are you telling me, why did I scam people? I saw your flyers, rose your blah, blah, blah. I saw
Wow.
this country.
Okay.
I don't know, Panda, that is not true. You are lying.
Okay.
And what is this?
Wow.
And what is this? What is this? Is this not Russia?
Pante batu.
Where they got this thing? Where they got this thing? Wait, other lady, yeah, it's something. Wait, Isa.
Wow.
So without communicating during that time.
Wow.
So we have we send this number.
Wow.
I didn't
Wow. Well, lipana.
I know this people. So for example, if I was scamming people.
Wow. Wow, lipana malentwa. Lipana manjo ulempim tinkle. Bofu na boku shakuro na witi beni jonku lempi.
No, Inji, Professor Inji. Professor Inji. A full-time employee of Ministry of Communication.
Wow.
That is my job.
Wow.
I have a legitimate job. I am paid. So me, what I am doing is like I am an IT specialist.
Okay.
Most of these people coming traveling agency.
Okay.
Most of them, they don't have fillable form. Like when they want to do an online application.
Wow. Wow. Mbatu fanta do. Legi. Wano le chiknania. Legi banya njoko mabiri office ka tas buga pio babu o ne jonko tasaru kan ich mchiki agent.
No, like Manchicom with companies. So I am not doing all countries. Then again, I do not convince anybody to come to me. I only advertise the jobs placement that I can secure for people.
Okay.
That is what I do.
Okay.
So if I have those jobs available and I know everything about the jobs, everything is clear, then I'll not advertise on my status. Whoever is interested comes to me, I tell you the procedure. If you are interested,
no advertisement here, better. It's live.
Legi meko enje brobio. Uyo. Try you. Calm down. Kenyaka nokal. Legi
I calm down.
Calm down. Nyaka nyokalu. Ya mpariru. Legi kate me everything bi me buka to topanu. Buka manja kunja me atiko tapali. Legi to buka li kat. Wow.
Inji right now,
wow.
Inji, these people, I know them and I know what they can do.
Wow.
I am not afraid because I have never scammed anybody and I'm not intending even to scam anybody.
Wow.
Coming job, I have a full-time job employment.
Wow. Wow.
So
Legi.
I have not opened any company. I have not opened any.
Mundo check nani are. Legi check nani nyakani sister Fanta, please.
So Fanta call it. Ana yapu.
Wow.
What is the information?
Wow.
Then I can tell her, okay.
Legi boko nimdo ne topal.
If you have to advise me on anything based on our experience with other traveling agencies, she can do that. And I'll listen to her. I've spoken with Panda before. And I also spoke with the other lady before.
Wow.
Not like I've not updated the job that they're doing. I updated the job that I'm doing. That is why, even when you don't have a problem with them, I volunteer to speak with them. And I even told them what I know about the business. That was when I even have the other lady's number. And I took that number and I called her and we spoke at length.
Wow, Legi.
Since then, we didn't go number that lady. And she has
Legi, Manjo, check na nea. Manjo, check na nea. Unyaka nutu lawa. Legi banya biki miongo in the bottle kunu nyaka nokal. Try ndieti sunyaka nto ushi primpulolo. Bebe joko nga muskamiru ka fere buga bebe tukalira.
No, big it. No, they only saw my flyers.
Wow.
And they start to call me. But this one cannot say I've scammed so and so and so. They only saw my flyers. And that was when they contacted me.
You yourself, you are struggling to travel.
Wow. Okay.
You wanted a sale for Russia. That one when they take the flyer, but they don't see my number there. They will not see
Na
my
sister love lomba love du kare nga kacha continue jam because ni na India mo man la fika mo ya man ko ñu asoro.
Okay.
He's just trying to prove something that is not
Okay, me atuna. Yeah, lipana. Yeah.
I'm not going to accept. He has been exposed and that is the thing. So he have to
Anda.
What I do is I connect people with universities and only job. I cannot tell people I am going to guarantee you a visa to any country.
that is what all these scammers are saying in Gambia. Job with contract with this. Even we saw fucking our Lamen woman. It's the same thing. Jobs.
Yang pariru. Ushirin you.
Don't stop us here.
Poko siri ulempim ke plan. Parce que lem panu le ke plan ma ulem visa anyat.
No, inje poko tore.
Wa anyat nyanto fal nyande affaire visa pijo maye Russia
Let him come up here. If I request here now.
Wa ibato wa nae kacha. Legi yam shirim mpango ba butisa.
No, mama put it mama.
Wow, usikoni.
Then he's afraid.
Ane abe officer dona akasele abe silo leka wata abe call kan.
Yeah, but it's a call no WhatsApp. I said yamu no WhatsApp auto because I funny alpha.
Ai nana jamari jakanula na BT.
But now he's trying to prove an evidence which we cannot buy that. It's not true. So now when you are telling I'm taking students, I'm taking this. All of you are saying the same thing. I'm taking students, I'm taking walking.
Jakanul bayitulo chika ke wala bichiti.
You can still put them on call.
Dede manjo bayitu banyako shititi ruti.
Bayitu banyako buki di online legi.
Wa pa ya ni ruti nyaka nimtea. Jambo sande.
Nyaka.
The platforms Fanta.
The platform Fanta.
Wow.
This
the platform
TikTok.
The platform
TikTok.
Wow.
Busenali link.
Would you find the period? Then I just call me directly and then we talk properly.
Who will call you? Me. I don't will call you. I will expose you tomorrow if you don't call.
Ali, lipana, manjo.
Mari jakanulu banyangal pu tenduli bat banyankal entulu ko bilentuli. Na puni rek ni chicken link di ba utanulu dung di TikTok.
Wow.
Di ba utanul dung di TikTok. Just let him just like the link and then come up. Banyanka lentulu koi banyanka lentuli nanjaku chiti aboku nanjaku rikafuri ule mpu banyame o
maybe Wolof or English so that we all understand the same thing.
Wow. Ila mo lafta kura selen nando wala nan kadiama